Hello friends, in a bowl with 2 pounds of ground beef, crack 2 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Grate 1 medium onion. Friends, I always enjoy knowing where you're from. Please share your city and country. Add the onion into the bowl. Now, finely chop a bunch of fresh parsley. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, a like would be much appreciated. Toss it in. Now, mix everything together with your hands. It's the best way to feel the texture. Place 5 potatoes into a pot. Cover with water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cook until tender. Place the meat mixture on top of a sheet of parchment paper. Press it into a rectangle about 1 inch thick. In a frying pan, melt a 1/4 stick or 30 grams of butter. Grate 2 garlic cloves on a mini grater. Feel free to ask any questions about the recipe in the comments. Add them to the pan. Sauté until fragrant. Finely chop 5 ounces or 150 grams of spinach. Add the spinach to the pan. Cook it down until it's soft and wilted. Remove it from the heat. Spread the cooked spinach evenly over the meat. Take your time with this step. Heat a small drizzle of olive oil in a frying pan. Finely chop 7 ounces or 200 grams of mushrooms. Add them to the pan. Sauté slowly. Once they're ready, turn off the heat. Spread cooked mushrooms gently over the layer of spinach on the meat. Try to distribute them evenly. Grate 5 ounces or 150 grams of Emmental cheese. Sprinkle it over everything. Gently roll the meat into a log, tucking it carefully as you go. In a bowl, mix together ketchup, soy sauce, grain, Dijon mustard, honey. Stir well until smooth. Brush the meat roll generously with the glaze. Wrap it tightly in the foil. Bake for 1 hour at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Check the potatoes, drain them, and return to the warm pot. Add 2 fluid ounces of cream, a 1/4 stick of butter, grate 1 ounce or 30 grams of Parmesan cheese. Add it in. Mash everything until smooth and creamy. Take the meat roll out of the oven. Brush it with the remaining glaze. Return it to the oven uncovered for 10 minutes. Take the roll out of the oven. Slice gently. Add a generous spoonful of the creamy mashed potatoes to a plate. Place a thick slices of the meat roll right alongside. For a final touch, add a few cherry tomatoes. Sprinkle over some fresh herbs. There you have it. A meal made from simple ingredients, with care and love in every step. It's comforting, nourishing, and made to be shared around the table with those we cherish most. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking!